Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12th. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Prudent. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
He called us today for a meeting. He has looked into our grievances. Based on his understanding which he had with us for half an hour, we have gone much more. We have gone beyond what exactly we came for. He has assured that within the next 7 days, he will provide us funds for the next 2 months because of some
Basically, he'll be giving us from the budget, because there are some nitty-gritty left in the to be done, because there has been a change from the women and child to the social welfare. So all these things need to be notified, and if by the time it gets notified, we will be getting the money only in somewhere in August. But CM has spoken because fortunately Additional Secretary Finance was there, so he suggested that we can give them an advance from the existing budget, so that the homes will not be affected.
Women and child grants were coming from Women and Child Department. From this year, 1st April, the file has been transferred to social welfare. The money has been put in social welfare. We will not take any outsiders.
How many outsiders are right now in the...
We have in our shelter homes,
yeah.
As of now, we have 15 to 18 which we have taken a couple of years back. So we cannot just throw them out for various reasons. Which we have told him very clearly, even if you give us the grants, we will not take any non-Goans into our home. He immediately said we will write to the respective administration and tell them to take their people back. Which we have been impressing on this government last 2 years, but no secretary, director has been taking note of this. He has taken note. So I have told him, even if you give me the grants, we are not going to take non-Goans. Because we are having shelter homes in Maharashtra, we are having in Jharkhand, and we are going to open in Karnataka. You transfer them there, I'll take them there. For which he has called a meeting of the entire administration, and he will raise this point with the respective states. Which is a good move for us. Why should we look after them here? And why should more and more people come here?